Hello, I am John Robert. Today we are making dairy-free banana muffins, the taste of kosher. So it makes 16 muffins. Dairy-free banana muffins are moist with perfect crumb. Prep time 10 minutes, cook time 15 minutes, total time 25 minutes. Ingredients: 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of white sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 3 medium bananas mashed, 1 egg, 1.5 cups of oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 cup of walnuts chopped, 125 grams, plus additional for sprinkling, but that is entirely optional. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Whisk together flour, sugar. By the way, I have already preheated the oven, so we're good to go with that. Whisk together flour, sugar, baking soda, and salt in a mixing bowl. Now I need to level up off my cup. I'll show you this one when I'm leveling it off. Oh, don't quite have enough. This is good. So now I need 1 cup of white sugar. So now I need 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Now baking soda containers are special because they have a built-in thing that can level the baking soda off. Yeah.
Okay. 1.5 teaspoons of salt.
Now we need to whisk them together. Mash the bananas, but first I need to peel them.
Bean bananas for this kind of recipe.
It's important to use ripe bananas. And I also pretty much only use ripe bananas for this because I only really like to eat green bananas. Now I need to add oil and vanilla. Specifically 1.5 cups of oil and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. But you do have to be a lot more precise with a wet measure.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is extremely precise and I got exactly the amount I want.
What are you going to do with those wet ingredients?
I am going to add them to the dry ingredients.
Mm-hmm.
But excuse me, I did not put in the vanilla.
Okay.
Oh, this vanilla smells really good. So I am going to add this into my bowl, and I have already fixed a little well. I know that this is making it look gross, but it's not actually that gross. It's funny how gross this looks, even though it's probably delicious. Become one with the whatever this is. So I need to crush the nuts to death. I'm going to add the nuts to the mixture. Wahahaha. Just kidding. But I am going to add them to the mixture.
Mm-hmm.
We need to add the mixture wahahaha, to these Halloween cups.
Okay.
Use ladle to pour batter into paper-lined muffin pan cups. Remove and let cool for 5 minutes before moving to a cooling rack. If you if you're using a large jumbo muffin pan, the cook time will be higher. These aren't perfectly cooked.
Did we have to use extra time to get them to be not soup in the middle?
Yeah.
Yeah, because they were really soupy in the middle. So we had to add 7 minutes, which was probably 2 minutes too long.
Ha 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 ha.
Yeah. But as soon as they cool, we can taste them, right?
Yeah. Wah ha 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 ha.
The muffins are done. They are peeled. So is it good?